I took care of Whaia Ann Dysart after I took care of her daughter. Due to her medical and health condition, she wasn't allowed near soil. He was quite passionate about her garden, and I didn't want her garden to be ruined, you know. So I went out there and I did what I had to. I recorded everything I did. If I wasn't sure, I'll record and then I'll take it back inside, then I'll play the video and then point out what I needed to pull, and Ami would show me. I was just her hands and her eyes, and she was the one doing all the work. But I got a lot out of it. I understood why gardening is a major part of our lives, and because I de-stressed from it, and I was still coming to terms with losing her daughter. Kia ora. So through Ami, through the garden, through losing her, I had closure for both of them. And I did my role to the best of my ability. And I didn't realise it was going to continue on. So the fruits of my labour, as you can see. Thanks, Ami.